punchy.
This is wild. Like,
all right, what's going on, guys? My name is Alex Widdick, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, today I'm really excited to bring you guys a video and also show you what this fitment looks like in the sun. We're bringing this Mark V out of the garage, putting it on the drive. We're gonna check it out. Also, my buddy is on his way over here right now with a Mark V R32, and we're gonna go see some hills and stuff like that. My brother's on his way out with the A4. Let's get to today because I'm really excited. All right, guys, Justin just pulled up with his R32. This thing is fire. He's doing a bunch of stuff too. He's gonna supercharge it and stuff, but Cam's also here. Cam's a great friend of mine as well, and we're gonna check out this fitment right now on the Mark V. It's absolutely insane. This is gonna be the drive height. It doesn't rub. This is how high it was when it was aired out before, and now this is drive height, and the rubbing is minimal. In the back, we lowered the car a whole bunch as well. Justin thinks he's a cat. But yeah, this car is looking sick. I'm not gonna be driving this car to Hawks Nest. That's one of our local like mountain spots. It's only about 40 minutes away, maybe about half an hour. So we're gonna go rip that in the R32, check it out. There's a whole bunch of cars, so stay with me and let's enjoy this day. We are on the back roads right now. Murph, this R32 is so sick. It's got a bunch of suspension parts. I don't really know all the details about this car, but we're heading over there right now. We're about halfway. And we're on the straight road, but soon there's gonna be a bunch of twists and turns, so we're excited. These roads are pretty serious. Murph is two-handed right now. Weta Raps in the cut. Make sure you guys go follow him. Weta_Raps. Oh, now he's getting serious. He's pinkying it. He's pinkying it.
I just watched this video of a guy on the Mark V, like R32, him and his dad ripping like some highway. And they're doing like a $130. They got the dad just like this, like through traffic.
Just two-fingering it. We pulled up to the bottom of Hawks Nest, and there's actually a pretty bad car accident. The guy said it's going to be cleaned away and free of debris within about 10 minutes. So we're about to head over there, and we're going to sit on the side of the road. We're going to wait. Hopefully it clears up, and hopefully whoever got hurt is safe, and hopefully nobody got hurt. So you hate to hear it. Justin's parking the car real quick. Actually, we turned off the side of the road so I can take a little tinkle, but there's some abandoned stuff here. This R32 is fire. We're actually gonna take some pictures on this bridge, so yeah, let's check it out. Oh my God, this kid is really about to go through this bridge right now. This thing is sketch. Guys, he literally just pulled onto a board and it just bent right up into the air. Dude, he's on the beam, he's not wrong, but geez. Okay, it's not that bad. Whoa, you're gonna get those shoes dirty, dude.
Good.
This R looks so good from the back. I'm really excited to get this R on the hill. So I think that the accident's cleared up, so we're gonna head on out. Basically in a valley right now of the Delaware River Gap, and this is like a really common spot for people around us to basically come to. New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey. And there's a lot of like cliff shelves. Got that all-wheel drive with the winter tires, but man. Yeah, no, this thing is pretty sick. I mean, if you have like a supercharged or a turboed R32, throw that down in the comments. These things are pretty quick NA. It's fun, so we're heading back towards the turny part. He's on like a 60-degree angle. I know you guys probably can't see with the camera, but like we're down here, and then the left side of the car is like 30 feet higher. And now there's another car coming, so we gotta wait for them. But you know, we're four-wheeling this thing. We are using the four-wheel drive to its potential. These guys are in the worst spot ever. Justin, give me a little rundown. What are we seeing right now?
I predict there's gonna be an accident in about 15 minutes. It's gonna be a Honda. It's a Honda. It's gonna be a black and red Honda.
We don't know what it's gonna be. I'm hoping nobody crashes, but it is getting sketchy out Reckless.
That was a perfect quick.
Yeah.
That was a for more. Just sitting here and I turn around and my buddy Chris just pulls up on this sick ass motorcycle. Chris, great to see you, bud. Great to see you. Chris, great kid, great friend of mine. He's in the Union, has a lot of fun toys. We need to get some more fun toys as well. Quality burnout by a quality kid.
Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it?
My car is broken.
So Cam, give me a little rundown of what you think of this whole operation.
Well, I'm a big fan of the Miata right here. I got a Miata myself.
Damn, Cam, he's
I
doing
love
it.
Miatas. He's gonna do a burnout right now, as we can see.
We couldn't hang, ran out of power, boys, ran out of power. This G-Wagon is packed right now. That G-Wagon was packed with plywood. What the?
Dude, that's at the V12.
Dude, that guy is a baller. What the heck did we just witness? $300 Civic right there. B-Series $300 Civic. That thing was ripping right there. Had 6 people holding on to it. Did a burnout for about 6 feet. Quality. I heard you guys wanted Miata content.
Extra crunchy.
I don't know if you guys saw that, but there was actually a kid still on the back. A kid had hopped onto the back of that Miata, and he's still on there. They literally just drove away with him. He did not hop off the car, and they were probably doing 30 miles an hour after they left. Went around the turns and everything, so these kids are sketchy, but they're having fun. I'm not getting involved in any of that, but geez. Murph, what'd you think about that?
I think someone died right here.
Cam, what'd you think about that?
Dude, this is wild. Like, I never knew about this
Baby
place being
H2O.
nice and hot like
Maybe
this.
H2O.
Yeah, this is better than H2O, honestly.
Yeah,
It's the foreign version of H2O,
Yeah,
bro.
I mean, it
the
really
foreign
is.
H2O. You guys can literally see him. They just brought him back up. It was literally on the back of the Miata the whole time. It's literally like a 2-mile strip down and back. So they were ripping that canyon with that kid in the Miata. Cam just made it out of the woods, slipped down, but he's back.
Wookie in the woods.
chain's about to fall off. That guy was sketchy. How's it going?
Pretty good.
This is some quality content right here, boys. Wow. Got the Widowmaker under the car with the screwdriver. This is a safe operation right next to the Burnouts.
Show them the tread here. There's still like 300
That tread's
miles
better
left
than
of
my
it.
tires after 10 miles.
Fucking chunks missing out.
Wow.
Good for another 100,000.
Thanks for showing me that.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Oh, and extra crunchy.
Wetter wraps, the GLI King
I wish
over
I could
here.
show him up with the GLI, but
It's a real shame. You hate to see it.
no flames.
No flames. This is the two-step king right here. Sold the car to his brother. The car lives on though. What do you know about the Sadboys?
Is it shooting flames under there?
Probably. It's probably shooting flames. He just blew it up. It will not move. I am sorry. I asked him to do that. Well, guys, nah, he's good. He's good. He's good.
Mark 4's never died. Let it pull through. It'll pull through.
That's the Mark 4 King right there. Oh, there he goes. He's out of here.
What do you think, Blue on her?
Oh, he just blew a coupler.
Yeah.
He blew a coupler, boys. You hate to hear it. Guys, look at this sunset. Look at this freaking sunset.
You probably get trouble.
Yo, Justin, how do you feel about this sunset?
Beautiful, just like you.
Thanks.
Nice 7 o'clock sunset. So I can see.
Oof. Nothing like little daylight savings out here. We are really taking in the sun rays with this extra hour. Hopefully we see another car blow up today. We need the content. We really do need the content. Yo, man, you hungry?
Yo, you hungry?
How hungry are you?
I'm pretty fucking hungry.
Murph, you hungry?
Yes.
He's hungry and he wants chalky milk. It's a serious situation we're dealing with right here, right now. Yeah, guys, we're heading out of here right now. The sunset looks sick. Cam's in the back. Little Justin's over here mobbing in the R32. Hey, Master! Guys, Justin and Cam just left. We stopped and we ate some food. I'm gonna say I sent it. I had a Taylor making cheese and 3 pieces of toast. So, French toast to be exact. And I got a milkshake. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video today. We're gonna go back, so let me know down in the comments if you guys do want me to bring my camera. I will if you want me to. I enjoyed filming it, so hopefully the clips came out good, but you guys will know because it's the end of the video. But guys, I love making these videos. We're gonna continue this. So guys, on that note, keep smiling. Don't let anyone put you down, and I'll see you in the next video. So stay tuned for those, guys. All right, adios. Let me know down in the comments if you stay till the end, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Short stack for a short kid.